Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Shopify in 2023. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so whether you're just getting started with Shopify or you're looking to brush up on your shipping settings, this video is for you. Benefits of set up shipping on Shopify. Setting up shipping on Shopify has many benefits for both merchants and customers. Here are some of the key advantages. For merchants, streamline shipping process. Shopify Shipping simplifies the process of buying and printing shipping labels, saving you time and hassle. You can purchase labels directly from your Shopify admin, and you'll get discounted rates through Shopify's partnerships with major shipping carriers. Accurate shipping rates. Shopify Shipping calculates shipping rates based on the actual weight and dimensions of each order, ensuring that you're charging your customers the correct amount. This can help prevent overcharging or undercharging, which can lead to customer dissatisfaction and lost revenue. Reduced shipping costs. Shopify Shipping's discounted rates can help you save money on shipping, which can boost your profit margins. Easy to manage. Shopify Shipping is easy to set up and manage, even if you're not a shipping expert. You can easily add and remove shipping zones, adjust shipping rates, and view shipping labels. For customers, transparent shipping costs. Customers can see the exact shipping costs for their orders at checkout, so they won't be surprised by any hidden fees. This can help build trust and confidence in your store. Choice of shipping methods. Customers can choose from a variety of shipping methods, including standard shipping, express shipping, and local pickup. This gives them more control over their shipping experience. Real-time tracking. Customers can track their orders in real time, so they know exactly when to expect their packages to arrive. This can help reduce customer inquiries and improve customer satisfaction. Step 1. The first step is to go to your Shopify admin panel. To do this, go to shopify.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Settings tab. And then select Shipping and Delivery. We see here general shipping rates. Set up flat rates, table rates, and weight-based rates for your store. Custom shipping rates. Create custom shipping rates for specific products, customers, or regions. Expected delivery dates. Calculate and display expected delivery dates to your customers at checkout. Local delivery. Offer local delivery to your customers, either free or for a fee. Local pickup. Allow customers to pick up their orders from your store or another location. Delivery customizations. Offer additional delivery options to your customers, such as signature confirmation and Saturday delivery. Enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. Allow customers to compare shipping rates from multiple carriers at checkout. Packing slips. Generate and print packing slips for your orders. Custom order fulfillment. Outsource your order fulfillment to a third-party provider. We can learn about all detail of shipping rate. Click to icon equal to shipping and learn and set up all setting of rate and shipping charges. Setting up shipping rates. You can set up free, flat, or calculated shipping rates that appear in the checkout for your customers. Learn more about the different types of shipping rates on this page. Create flat shipping rates. Create shipping rates in local currencies. Create calculated shipping rates. Markup or discount calculated rates. Creating free shipping rates. Edit a rate. Delete a rate. Create flat shipping rates. Tool. Create a flat shipping rate to charge customers a fixed amount for shipping, regardless of weight, size, or distance. Example: $5 flat shipping for all orders in the United States. Create shipping rates in local currencies. Tool. Create shipping rates in local currencies to allow customers to pay for shipping in their preferred currency. Example: create a shipping rate for Canadian customers that charges them in Canadian dollars. Create calculated shipping rates. Tool. Create calculated shipping rates to charge customers for shipping based on the weight, size, and distance of their order. Example: charge customers for shipping based on the weight of their order, using USPS priority mail rates. Markup or discount calculated rates. Tool. Markup or discount calculated shipping rates to add or subtract a percentage from the calculated rate. Example: markup calculated shipping rates by 10% to cover your shipping costs and profit margin. Creating free shipping rates. Tool, create free shipping rates to offer customers free shipping on their orders, either over a certain amount or to certain locations. Example, offer free shipping on all orders over $50. Edit a rate. Tool, edit a shipping rate to update the shipping zone, carrier service, price, or other details of the rate. Example, update a shipping rate to reflect a new USPS rate increase. Delete a rate. Tool, delete a shipping rate to remove it from your store. Example, delete a shipping rate that you no longer offer. Before you create any shipping rates, make sure to get familiar with shipping zones and shipping profiles. Step 2. Create a shipping profile. If you don't already have a shipping profile, you'll need to create one. To do this, click on the Create Shipping Profile button. Step 3. Name your shipping profile. And select your shipping zones. First, give your shipping profile a name. Then, select the shipping zones that you want to apply this profile to. You can create shipping zones based on country, region, or even specific zip codes. Step 4. Add shipping rates. Once you've selected your shipping zones, you need to add shipping rates. To do this, click on the Add Rate button. Step 5. Enter your shipping rate information. First, enter a name for your shipping rate. Then, select the shipping carrier and service that you want to use. Finally, enter the shipping price. Step 6. Save your shipping profile. Once you've added all of your shipping rates, click on the Save button. To make sure that your shipping rates are working correctly, you can test them by placing a test order. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.